Hi, my name is Aldo, and this is my wife Sherrie,
Hello.
and we are actually here in Mexico, in Lake Chapala area. We researched on the internet Lake Chapala, and the first website that came up was Access Lake Chapala, which actually covers a lot of the area, a lot of the cities here, cost of living, cost of moving down here, retirement, any information that you can think of, it's provided by them. So what we did after researching it and checking their website and doing more research for a year, we decided to just get up and leave. We retired from work. We drove down here, and the first place and people we met were members of the Access Lake Chapala team. One of them was Vicky Christensen, who actually has become a good friend of ours. The whole office is very professional. They're all very helpful to you. They all are bilingual, so that helps out a lot, especially when it comes down to making an offer or reading any small details regarding your purchase, because all the paperwork comes in English and Spanish for you, so there's no questions about it.
And Vicky, she was a tremendous help. When we first met her, she says, you know what, we can drive around, take a look at where you think you might want to live, take a look at areas that you never even considered. And it was very nice because just spending the afternoons with her, it was like spending the afternoon with a friend. So we made a wonderful friend through Vicky, with her helping us through this entire process. And we had always looked online at Access Lake Chapala to look at homes and everything else. And she was able to help us through the process when we actually found our home, making the offer, letting us know what it is that we needed to do. First offer was not approved, wasn't accepted by the seller, but the second offer was, and we were very happy about that. And it was just nice. The office at Access Lake Chapala was able to explain everything to us, letting us know the entire process, helping us with any issues that might come along. Just letting us know, recommending always the first thing to do is get a home inspection, so that it's not a surprise when you move in. And if something's wrong, you already know about it. It's just nice to know that you know what you're buying before you actually go in and make the actual purchase. So Vicky let us know what we needed to do as far as going to the notario's office, and it was wonderful because I felt like we had the entire Access Lake Chapala staff in there when we actually signed all of our documents with the notario, just supporting us and explaining the process. It was absolutely wonderful. Recommend using Access Lake Chapala for any of your needs.
We actually did have almost the whole office there. We had a lot of representatives just to make sure that we felt comfortable with the signing and the purchase of our home. Ever since then, we have been here now for a month and love everything about it, especially the process in helping us locate this location where we purchased. It was not the intended area because we found this to be more pleasant, more peaceful, friendlier for us. We're right about 2 blocks away from the lake. Overall, Access Lake Chapala has helped us tremendously. They have literally earned our business now, and in the future, if we decide to buy other properties, that's who we'll be dealing with.
And anybody who's looking for a home, definitely going to recommend to contact Vicky at Access Lake Chapala.
Or anybody in the team.
Yep.